Did you know you can add pull to refresh in Jetpack Compose without using any extra libraries now? So in this video we will be creating a lazy column with the item number 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we pull down from the top it will show a refreshing icon as shown, and then after some delay the list will be refreshed. Before any further delay, let's get started. Make sure that you have the correct libraries so that the new API is shown. Go to libraries version and make sure that you are using the latest Compose version, and if you are using Compose Bomb it should be the latest one as shown here, and if you are using the material 3 directly with the version, then you have to make sure that it's the latest stable version which contains this pull to refresh new API. So let's start with the coding. First one, let's create a swipe refresh content composable. So in this composable function, first remove this extra modifier coming in the argument. Alright, now let's add a PullToRefreshBox API. The first argument for this one is refreshing. Let's add the default values as false, and then we have a state. This will be remember pull to refresh state, and then also opt in for the experimental API, and then the third required argument is on refresh. Let's make it empty for now. Also let's add a modifier to fill the max size so that we can see the full screen in the preview box. Now in the content of this pull to refresh box, let's add a lazy column. So in the lazy column, add a fixed items of size 20, and then add a text composable in it with the text contents as item number, and then replace it with the index coming from the items argument. Let's add a modifier for this text composable also to fill the max width, and then add some padding. Now in order to make sure that is refreshing is getting called and the icon is being shown in the UI, we have to add is refreshing mutable state, is refreshing by remember mutable state of false, and now replace this default true value with the is refreshing variable. For the on refresh callback, let's add a scope, a coroutine scope, so that we can add a background work in it. Scope equals remember coroutine scope, and then launch a coroutine with that scope, and then in the coroutine update the variable is refreshing true, and then add some delay to simulate some API call, and then make is refreshing variable false. That's it. You now have a clean swipe to refresh in your Compose app, no libraries needed. Let's run the application at this stage and see how this looks like. As you can see, when I pull down from this list, refresh icon will be shown for 2 seconds and then the list will be refreshed. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time.